If you want to create a cinematic wallpapers on your Google Pixel 9, so first of all, open up your home screen. Now hold your finger on any blank space and press Wallpaper and Style. Great. Now let's press more wallpapers. And here we gotta choose my photos. Or you can simply press more wallpapers and choose any of them, right? I will go with some photo wallpaper. So choose one. Great. Now we're gonna press on the star icon. Press download. Give it some time to be downloaded. Now we can simply tap on the switch near create cinematic wallpaper and let the magic happen. Once again, give it some time. Let's press set wallpaper. And here is our cinematic wallpaper, and that's how it looked like. You can see it on a preview. If you're satisfied, press set, and let's check it on our home screen. And basically that's how it works. It set up those little life and those little movements, but basically that's it. And I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.